First, we're going to go on ChatGPT and then we're going to ask them to find us the most profitable niche on Instagram. And then they're going to start typing their answer. And the first one is the fitness and wellness niche. The second is beauty and skincare. The third, fashion and lifestyle, food and cooking, and the travel niche. And if we wanted to start an Instagram account or page in one of these niches and we needed video ideas, we can ask ChatGPT. So video ideas for the fitness and wellness niche include workout tutorials, healthy meal prep, morning routine, yoga or meditation practice, Q&A sessions, behind the scenes, product reviews, progress updates, and collaborations with other fitness influencers. And video ideas for the beauty and skincare niche include makeup tutorials, skincare routines, product reviews, get ready with me, behind the scenes, haul videos, Q&A sessions, collaborations with other beauty influencers, and tutorials on self-care and self-love. Video ideas for the fashion and lifestyle niche include outfit of the day, haul videos, get ready with me, lookbook videos, behind the scenes, home decor and organization, Q&A sessions, collaborations with other fashion and lifestyle influencers, and daily vlogs. Video ideas in the food and cooking niche include recipe tutorials, meal prep, food and cooking challenges, food vlogs, product reviews, Q&A sessions, collaborations with other food influencers, behind the scenes, and healthy living. Video ideas for the travel niche include destination vlogs, travel tutorials, food and culture, behind the scenes, Q&A sessions, collaborations with other travel influencers, time-lapse videos, adventure and outdoor activities, and sustainable travel.